Hi everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Deanna, and today I wanted to share some hair extension tips and hacks, so let's get started. Okay, a few great tips when you're using clip-in hair extensions. This is my 16-inch Luxy Hair set in chocolate brown, and it just adds a ton of volume and thickness to my natural hair. So I like to use the Luxy Hair application kit. It comes with a rat tail comb and 2 no-slip clips, which make applying my extensions way easier. When you clip up your hair, before clipping in the extensions, I like to use the comb to back comb and tease at the roots. This gives your hair more grit and volume, making it easier for the clips to grab onto your hair, and this is a trick that hairstylists use all the time. Next, to make things even faster, plus add extra thickness in all the right places, I like to stack my wefts like this, so adding a smaller weft on top of a bigger one. Then when you clip it in, it's also easier to hide and blend your extensions because you can keep everything lower down your head and not run out of space. Because the higher you clip your extensions up on your head, the less hair there is up there to cover the wefts. So stacking is a great hack to avoid this. My next tip is to use the Luxy Hair Loop Brush. It's a brush with looped bristles designed specifically for hair extensions, so you can brush your hair and not have the bristles get caught on your wefts. If you wear clip-ins, I highly recommend using this brush. Okay, before clipping in my hair extensions, I usually like to style them, and something that makes brushing and styling your extensions so much easier is the Luxy Hair Deluxe Styler. It has suction cups on the back of it, so you can just stick it to a window or any bathroom surface and then just hang your extensions on it, which makes it so easy to brush and style them. Before I had this, it was so difficult trying to find a way to style my extensions. This is a total game changer. Speaking of game changers, if you ever need to bring your hair extensions somewhere or are on the go, try the Luxy Hair Carrier. You can just hang your extensions on the hanger inside it, zip it shut, and roll it up. It rolls up into a small bundle like this, so you can just stick it inside your bag or a suitcase, and your extensions will be kept protected and safe inside, so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged. Okay, next up is a hack for ponytail lovers. This is a Luxy Hair Gravity Defying Hair Tie. It's super gentle on your strands and is designed in a way that will make your ponytail stay lifted all day long. Just for comparison, this is me using a regular hair elastic, and as you can see, these types of hair ties tend to leave your pony sad and sagging. I love mine to be lifted, and that's exactly what the Gravity Defying Hair Tie does, so great hack. For greasy hair days or times where you just want your hair out of your face, you need to try the Luxy Hair Clip-In Bun. It looks like this, so you can put your hair up in a regular bun, low or high. This is my regular size bun. And then I'll flip the clip-in bun inside out to pull it over top of my natural bun, dig the little clips under my elastic to get that grip, and then you can just pull the drawstring to tighten and secure. You can wrap the ends of the bun around your bun and secure it with a bobby pin like this. And voila, my bun is instantly so much bigger and it's very easy to apply. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you picked up some new tricks with these tips and tools to make the most out of your Luxy Hair extensions. Do you wear extensions? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more hair tips, and we'll see you later. Bye!